Changzhou Changpeng Motor Company Limited, established in square meters. Designing conditioners. As a factory of more than 10 service, with high quality guarantee, it specializes in the researching, designing, developing, and manufacturing of AC motors and DC motors. The main products are environmentally friendly air conditioner motor, cooling fan motor, indoor and outdoor air conditioner motor, water air conditioner motor, fan coil motor, induction fan motor, axial fan motor, heat pump water heater motor, movable air cooler motor, brushless DC motor, air purification equipment motor, centrifugal fan motor, external rotor fan motor, and other customized motors based on customers' requirements. With advanced testing equipment, production equipment, and experienced independent R&D team, Changzhou Changpeng Motor Company Limited believes in the concept of quality as root, sincerity as basis, virtue as first, faith as living for our management idea. And we put forward, integrity wins the world, brand decides the fate for our development slogan. We can meet all kinds of clients' needs in order to harmoniously develop our company and clients.